I just got back from a long weekend in Utah testing out the Thule Chasm. With a huge main compartment, water-resistant fabric, this is a great, very durable travel duffel. I have the smallest 40-liter version here, also comes in a larger 70, 90, and 130-liter sizes, but this is the only one that's gonna work as a carry-on. Listed dimensions are 22 by 12 by 10. The way I have it packed here, it's more like 22 by 14 by 9 deep, or 58, 35, 23 centimeters. This bag is gonna easily fit in the overhead, but it's a little too large for a personal item. I'm very impressed with the fabric on the Chasm. It's extremely thick, double laminated TPU, basically a thick rubberized fabric. The bottom is lined with this extra layer of 840 denier nylon for abrasion resistance. You can see it's also lined TPU on the entire interior. This does make the bag a little heavier at 2.9 pounds or 1.3 kilograms, but that's a good trade-off if you want a very durable travel duffel. The rest of the hardware in this pack is totally solid. Huge number 10 YKK locking zippers, thick nylon webbing strapping, and beefy Duraflex buckles and adjusters. The Chasm has two carry options. There's removable backpack straps, a top carry handle, as well as two side handles. The only exterior organization is a small slash pocket on the top, waterproof YKK zipper. The pocket is thin, but it takes up the full volume of the top of the pack. The shoulder straps on the Chasm are extremely wide and well padded, but this bag doesn't have features you find on a lot of travel packs, like a sternum strap, a hip belt, or top load adjusters. However, these are quite a bit wider than your standard shoulder strap, like this Patagonia Black Hole. I found it distributed the weight and worked very well for what I used it for. These straps are completely removable. The bottom, you can remove them with this hidden buckle. And then on the top, there's aluminum toggles that you can just pop out. There's no dedicated sleeve for these things, but you can just store them in the main compartment. These side handles have a great design. If you watched my review on the Jack Wolfskin Expedition, you remember these side handles just kind of dangle here on the side when you're wearing it as a backpack. They solved the problem on the Chasm by adding these little side buckles that snap, keep the handle in place, while also hiding the side compression straps, which you can see keeps the handle in place. It's a great feature and it works really well. This lack of back padding is common on almost all of these minimalist travel duffels. For example, Patagonia Black Hole, Osprey Daylight, and North Face Base Camp, the back padding is just the exterior fabric with little or no padding. But this is a trade-off. You get increased volume, reduced weight, but also reduced carry comfort. The interior of the bag is access to this large side opening lid. The lid is slightly offset with the zipper coming around on the bottom, around to the back, giving you better access to the bottom part of the pack. Inside of the pack is a giant compartment. The fabric is stiff, so the bag stands up well, making it easy to pack. There's two zippered mesh pockets in the lid. Larger one over here goes beneath this one, taking up the entire space of the lid, and there's a smaller zipper pocket over here. This bag is really easy to pack and it holds a ton of gear. I'm gonna post a separate video in a few weeks where I go into more detail on all the gear I brought on my trip. But for now, I'll show you this thing can easily hold 2 medium packing cubes in the main compartment. And then there's plenty of room on top here for all your other gear, as well as several smaller pockets for small gear. This is what the Chasm looks like on me, fully packed. Worked great for what I was using it for, which is carry-on travel and staying at a friend's house. The straps are very wide, padded, but again, there's no sternum strap, top load adjusters, hip belt, or back padding. And then just to show a comparison on a few other bags, it's Osprey Daylight and the North Face Base Camp. In summary, the Thule Chasm is a great bag if you're looking for a simple, sturdy travel duffel. The bag is very well made. It's gonna stand up to abuse and last a long time. It has a huge main compartment that's easy to pack, as well as several other pockets for your smaller gear. That's all I have for the Thule Chasm. I'll be posting a trip review on this bag shortly, so stick around for that. And again, thanks for watching.